Hello and welcome. You're watching Money9. I'm Sakshi Batra and this is First Take, a show where we give you all the market action right from the opening tick. और आज का सौदा कैसा रहेगा इसे बताने के लिए हमारे साथ आज टेक्निकल एक्सपर्ट भी जुड़ेंगे जो कि आपको बताएंगे कि अब बजट के बाद मार्केट्स में आपको किस तरीके की स्ट्रैटेजी बनानी है, कौन से ऐसे सेक्टर्स होंगे जहां पर आपको फोकस करना है और कौन सी टॉप बेट्स पर आप नजर रख सकते हैं। तो चलिए आज के मेहमान का स्वागत करते हैं। आज हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं रोहित सिंगरे, टेक्निकल एनालिस्ट LKP सिक्योरिटीज से। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और स्वागत है रोहित आपका।
Good morning, Sakshi. Good morning.
Good morning. Rohit, first up, let me begin by saying it has been a tremendous day also yesterday. Right after the union budget, we saw the markets give a rousing salute of 5% gains on the benchmark indices. But the rally hasn't stopped short. Today, again, we have been seeing right from the opening tick, the momentum has sustained, so much so that the Nifty is now inching closer towards its all-time highs as well. What, according to you, is the market outlook right now? How are you approaching the markets in these kind of high levels?
Yes, actually, I think we have been witnessed a sharp rally in yesterday's session. I think, and we have been witnessing a pullback. The pullback continuation in today's session also. So I think the one should respect the level first of all. On the downside, Nifty has very good support somewhere around 14,550, 14,500. So unless holding above those levels, we are good to go, and we are easily breakable that previous low, which was at 14,754 somewhere. So I think we may see fresh level in a day or so. So I think the momentum is on the buy side. Any dip will be again buying opportunity somewhere around with keeping overall stop loss below 1,500, which is the immediate and strong support on the downside. And if you look at on the Nifty bank front, I think we have been witnessing a sharp breakout in yesterday's session, and we have been witnessing the follow-up buying also. So I think unless we are trading about 33,000, we may see the more the sharp move in Nifty bank, which was looking aggressive at the moment. So I think both the indices, Nifty bank, are in the same direction. Buy on dip strategy will work well, I think. So I think one should wait for the any dip. Levels one need to be very focused on 14,500, 550 on the Nifty trailing stop losses I'm talking about, and in Nifty bank it is 33,000.
All right, so a buy on dip strategy and the momentum still goes strong. There's a downside support on 14,500 on the index so far. रोहित, ये भी बताइए कि खास तौर पर सेक्टर्स की अगर हम बात करें तो आज तो सभी सेक्टर्स हरे निशान में काम कर रहे हैं। कल फार्मा को छोड़ बाकी सभी सेक्टर्स में काफी अच्छा मूव भी देखने को मिला था जिस तरीके से बजट अनाउंसमेंट्स आए थे। आप इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की बात कीजिए, ऑटो सेक्टर की बात कीजिए, खास तौर पर अभी आपने बैंकिंग स्पेस की भी बात करी। ऑलरेडी हाई वैल्यूएशंस के बावजूद हमने देखा कि कल जिस तरीके से बैंकिंग स्पेस के लिए अनाउंसमेंट्स आए उसको राइड करते हुए ना ही केवल प्राइवेट बैंक्स बल्कि PSU बैंक्स भी चढ़ते हुए नजर आए। इन सभी स्पेसेस में से आपको इस वक्त कौन सा सेक्टर सबसे अट्रैक्टिव लग रहा है और वहां से कौन से स्टॉक्स आप चुनेंगे?
साक्षी, आई थिंक देखिए, पहले तो मैं अगर बैंक्स की बात करूं तो प्राइवेट बैंक्स के अंदर फ्रेश ब्रेकआउट्स हम लोग को देखने को मिले हैं, पर्टिकुलरली प्राइवेट बैंक इंडेक्स के अंदर। बट मुझे लग रहा है कि कहना कि थोड़ा हम लोग रैली को जो है मिस कर चुके हैं। अगर मैं प्राइवेट बैंक की बात करूं तो मुझे लग रहा है कि प्राइवेट बैंक्स के अलावा भी बहुत सारे बैंक्स हैं, जैसे कि PSU बैंक जो हम लोग को कल ट्रैक्शन देखने को मिला है। तो मुझे लग रहा है कि PSU बैंक्स के अंदर आपको थोड़ा ध्यान रखकर चलना चाहिए। ये एक जो सेक्टर यहाँ पर हम लोग को रैली देखने को मिली नहीं है, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि यहाँ पर आपको ज्यादा फोकस करके चलना चाहिए। PSU बैंक सबसे जो मेरा फेवरेट है स्टॉक वो है तो बड़ौदा। काफी अच्छा मूव हम लोग ने बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा के अंदर ऑलरेडी देखा था, बट मुझे लग रहा है कि गोइंग फॉरवर्ड आल्सो बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा विल बी आउट परफॉर्मर इन PSU बैंक विद SBI, राइट? तो बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा और SBI पे मुझे लग रहा है कि ध्यान रखकर चलना चाहिए।
ऑल राइट, सो PSU बैंकिंग स्पेस से रोहित ने चुना है SBI और BOB को, जहां पर आप नजर रख सकते हैं इस स्पेस में से अगर आपको ये स्पेस अट्रैक्टिव लगती है तो। इसके अलावा भी अगर हम देखें रोहित तो कुछ ऐसे सेक्टर्स हैं जैसे कि ऑटो सेक्टर के लिए भी काफी अनाउंसमेंट्स हुए थे, खासतौर पर व्हीकल स्क्रैपेज पॉलिसी को लेकर। लेकिन क्या इस स्पेस में भी आपको सिर्फ बहुत ही ज्यादा जो टेक्निकली स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टॉक्स हैं, मारुति जैसे स्टॉक्स, उन्हीं को आप पसंद करेंगे या फिर कुछ ऑफबीट स्टॉक्स भी पकड़ेंगे?
साक्षी, देखिए, पूरा सेक्टर जब परफॉर्म करता है तो मुझे लग रहा है कि सभी स्टॉक्स के अंदर और ऑटो में काफी बढ़िया ट्रैक्शन देखने को मिला है। मारुति, नो डाउट इट इज परफेक्ट टेक्निकली, फंडामेंटली इट इज गोइंग गुड, तो मारुति विल बी अ टॉप पिक। बट आई थिंक मुझे लग रहा है कि आपको बाकी स्टॉक्स भी ढूंढने चाहिए, जैसे कि आइशर मोटर है, काफी बढ़िया लेवल्स पे ट्रेड कर रहा है, एक राइजिंग चैनल का जो पैटर्न है ऑलरेडी बना कर रख चुका है। मुझे लग रहा है कि जब तक ये स्टॉक 2750 के ऊपर ट्रेड कर रहा है, यहाँ पर दमखम है कि एक बार इसको 3000 तक के लेवल पे देखने को मिल सकते हैं। तो आइशर मोटर, मारुति, हीरो विल बी द topic in the particular auto space, particularly Eicher Motor.
जी, इंफ्रा सेक्टर में हम बहुत ज़्यादा मूव नहीं देखते हैं रोज़ाना। अगर हम देखें या पिछले 2-3 हफ्तों में, तो मार्केट्स का सेंटिमेंट पिछले 1 हफ्ते में वीक था, लेकिन बजट की ट्रिगर की वजह से काफ़ी सेक्टर्स में ऐसे भी मूव देखने को मिला जहां पर अभी तक स्टैग्नेंट या फिर साइडवेज मूव देखने को मिल रहा था। ऐसे में क्या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर स्पेस आपको अट्रैक्टिव लग रहा है? जिस तरीके से अनाउंसमेंट्स हुई हैं या केपिक्स का अनाउंसमेंट हुआ है, उससे कुछ टेक्निकल पैटर्न्स में चेंजेस आए हैं?
सर,
जी, okay, so sure, we'll connect with you again as soon as your battery gets open. But for now, Rohit has suggested that from the PSU banking space, there are some attractive bets that you can look for, say State Bank of India or Bank of Baroda. These are the stocks that you can actually focus on. However, in the auto space, apart from Maruti Suzuki, which is a very strong counter both on fundamental and technical orders as well, there are other stocks that also you could keep on your mind, like Eicher Motors. He says that it could be a good bet for all of you to look at. Definitely in the opening show, we talked about how Eicher Motors has also, the Eicher Motors stock has also, connected with some, if you see the sales numbers for January have also been quite impressive in January as well when you compare it to a year-on-year figure. But other than this, there are a whole lot of sectors that will be important to watch out for, say financial services, FMCG, IT, and media. All of these sectors will be very important to watch out for because there is a sustained momentum from yesterday continued as well, even in today's trading session. Let's also quickly see what were the recommendations that really Rohit had to suggest to all of you because we could not connect to him right now. But let's quickly see what were his stock recommendations so you can take that at least for now. So the stock recommendations from LKP Securities would be first Dalmia Bharat. That is a pick that he was betting on big. So that's a stock that you can definitely take on and see, how it performs in today's trading session. There's a buy call on Dalmia Bharat that Rohit really gave. There's a 5.5% uptick that you can see on the stock already. The buy price over here, or the target price over here, suggested by Rohit is 1280 rupees. However, the stop loss that you can maintain is 1150 rupees. So that's the counter for you. Dalmia Bharat is a stock that you can keep on your radar, and that's a recommendation from LKP Securities. Other than this, there are other stocks that really are on his radar, and the other one being National Aluminium or NALCO. That is a stock that you can also keep a watch out for. That's another buy call from Rohit, and 2.5% or 2.8% uptick is what we can see currently on the stock. The stop loss that you can maintain on the stock is quite low. It's like 48. However, the target price could be 51. That's something that you can keep on your radar too. Other than this, there is another stock from the media space, and that is Sun TV Network that you can keep on your radar. The media index also has been in the momentum for the last 3 or 4 sessions, and you can see over a 5% jump on this stock as well. There's a stop loss of 490 that you can maintain on the stock. However, the target price you need to keep at 520 rupees. So these are the 3 stock picks that we've got from Rohit and that you can definitely keep an eye out on. Let's quickly check how the markets are trading at this point in time, because there are interesting moves that we are seeing right after the budget as well. Even in today's trading session, a 1,000-point jump on the Sensex we've already seen, and the Nifty is also inching closer towards its all-time highs. 14,654 is the current level of Nifty at the moment. That's already a rise of about 372 points. That's 2.5% jump on both the benchmark indices, the Sensex and the Nifty. The Nifty Bank also, if you see, there's a 3.74% jump that we can see over here. 1237 is the level that it is trading at, is the jump that we can see on the Nifty Bank as well. It is the index that has been outperforming, not just in yesterday's trading session, but even today as well. There's a sharp momentum that we can actually see on the Nifty Bank index. Mid cap and small cap, the broader market indices are also performing well at the moment. However, they're still just marginally lower than the benchmark indices and are underperforming them by a mild way. If you can see, there's a 417-point jump for the mid cap index, and the small cap index is up about 338 points at the moment. Other than this, if you see, the sectoral movers also include, apart from Nifty Bank, autos right now, financial services, FMCG, IT index. All of them are up about 1 to 3% up in trade already. And apart from this, there are a whole lot of stocks also in focus. The markets are clearly in favor of the advances right now. Out of the Nifty stocks or Nifty 50 stocks, 46 advances to 4 declines is what we can see. A whole lot of stocks like Tata Motors, L&T, Hindalco, UPL and SBI, all of these stocks are up in trade. 3 to 5% up in trade is what we can see, and there are no losers at this point in time for the Nifty. So it's a very good day because all winners over here as far as the Nifty gainers are concerned. So we'll leave you at that for this show, but we'll connect with you soon in our other shows where we'll keep giving you all the market updates, and we'll also connect with fundamental experts to share with you what should be your strategy now for the long term, right after the budget has also provided some more triggers for the market. So see you soon.